Hi everyone, this is Marie. For my practice screencast, I wanted to show you how I use technology in my classroom as part of my curriculum. Currently, I'm a preschool teacher and we have iPods and iPads in our classrooms, and they've been really helpful. It gives me more options now, whereas before I used to use just books or flashcards or CDs. Now I can use the internet basically, and it gives me more choices. I use the iPods and the iPads a lot during circle time, which is the group instruction time that we have with the class. For example, last Friday we watched the groundhog prediction together. All week we had been learning about Groundhog's Day and the tradition of Groundhog's Day. We made predictions about whether or not the groundhog was going to see his shadow. And then on Friday, we were able to watch this video together. And that's the end of the video, but we watched it all together, and the kids were really excited about being able to see the prediction, and then we were able to have discussions about the Groundhog Day prediction before and then after we watched the video together. Another tool that I use is YouTube, and last Friday we were able to do a song about Groundhog Day, and this song is really silly and the kids like it, and they were singing and dancing along with the music, and it just makes learning really fun for them. It just makes learning really fun for them when they have something to sing along with what they're learning about. This is one channel that I like to subscribe to because he has a lot of cool songs, not just seasonal songs, but he also has counting videos where the kids are learning how to count, and we're doing exercises along with counting. He also has letter songs that we like to do, and it helps with letter recognition and letter sounds and naming things that sound like the letter that we're learning about. And it also helps with writing the letters, which is another thing that I like to use. I like to do tracing pages with the kids, and this is a tracing page generator that I use. So basically it's really easy to use. You just type in what you want the tracing page to say, and then you can customize it according to what you're learning about, what words you want to teach, what letters you want to teach, and then you click on Make Tracer Page, and it generates a tracing page for you. And then you can just print it, and then you can use it for your class. So you can make it pertain to whatever you're learning about. So these are just a few things that I like to use for my classroom, and the way that technology has impacted my classroom. Hopefully it was informative and enjoyable, and thank you for watching.